Hey everyone, this is Alp Actinis here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. In this video series, I'd like to introduce you to our KINETIQ Foresight for Finance solution sitting on top of Microsoft Dynamics Business Performance Planning powered within Power BI. If you are a company that is currently operating within the Dynamics space, this is going to be a solution you're going to want to tune into. We're going to be covering what a day in the life of an FP&A team looks like. So for teams that are looking to really get a handle of operational and financial oversight and cash flow within their organization, you're going to want to tune into here. We're going to be covering everything from the control tower, where we will be showing you how you can manage multiple budgets and consolidate all your information in one place. We'll also be going over account-based budgeting. So if you are operating multiple entities, you're going to have an immediate starting point for your budgeting process using prior year's data. And then we'll start to go into the various different financial forecasting processes around things like revenue driver-based planning, where you are using operational drivers to drive your revenue and costs for your gross profit calculations, operating expense planning for all the operating expenses within your organization, workforce planning for your HR-related planning, as well as headcount management-related planning, capital expenditure planning for various different projects your organization is looking to take on, allocation planning, as well as the ability to have holistic and flexible reporting around your profit and loss statement for cash flow and profitability analytics. So if you're a CFO or you're a finance team that is looking to take your data and planning processes to the next level, please tune into this video where we'll be going into KINETIQ Foresight for Finance. Thank you, and this is Alp Actinis signing out.